My name is Nobuhiro Seki. I'm a co-founder and CEO of FabFoundry. So FabFoundry is a company who creates the community for hardware startups. And we provide not only just investment, but also services, consultation, advising, and other things. And we connect hardware startups here in New York City to resources in Japan, especially from Kyoto. Through all the activities we have done in New York City, the many people from Japan are so interested in connecting to local people in New York City. We can have a very collaborative environment between the US and Japan to create the 21st century startups in hardware space.